Hi everyone, in the last short video it was about kinetic energy. This one is about potential energies. I'll split this again into two, one for gravitational potential energy, the other one for spring potential energies. These are the two types of potential energies that we will care about in this course in mechanics. There are others, such as electric potential energy, but we don't care about it because we haven't even seen what electricity is yet. Other courses, sure, previously in high school, but not yet in CEGEP at this level. The first one is gravitational potential energy. It is the energy that is associated to a configuration of two or more objects. For example, this marker and the Earth. We will say that there is potential energy because the system has the capability, the possibility of having motion, of being in motion in a different state. For example, if I take this marker and let it go, it falls to the ground. That is because of the gravitational attraction and everything else. The other way of thinking about it is this marker being above the ground has gravitational potential energy and it wants to minimize it. The way for it to minimize its gravitational potential energy is to go on the ground. With experiments, we find that the gravitational potential energy is written with so UG is equal to mgh, where m is the mass of the object, g is the local gravitational acceleration. We assume for this equation that we're at the surface of the Earth, and that g is equal to positive 9.8 meters per second. We only want the magnitude of g here. H here is the height above some reference height. So if, for example, this is the marker and here is the ground, we can choose any height to be h is equal to 0, but we must choose. Often it is the simplest to take the lowest part, the lowest point of the system, of the situation, to be h is equal to 0. And that's it. That's it for gravitational potential energy. Once you have that, you need to establish what h is. You know g. You need to know the mass of the object. You can find its potential energy. The interaction between gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy are that one will transform in the other throughout the situation, or into spring potential energy if we have that, but let's look at that now.